On behalf of all Ahmadis of France and also of all French-speaking peoples who are watching us now through MTA, Brother Jamal Testamal wanted to thank Huzur. He said, I don't have the words to express the gratitude we have for Huzur's magnificent attention, which Huzur is according to the French-speaking world, and how Huzur's explanations are helping them to continue the jihad, which Huzur has explained all over the world.
Yes. Another question?
Yes, like it's true. Huzur, kindly give us some advice so that we could benefit fully from the coming month of Ramadan.
You see, the purpose of Ramadan is to get closer to God. And so the Holy Quran speaks of the name of the Unzila fihi al-Quran.
Shahr Ramadan.
Shahr Ramadan Unzila fihi al-Quran.
Hudan wa rahmatan.
No, I'm saying, some translators have rightly said that Shahr Ramadan is 1 month which contains all the affairs about which the Holy Quran is revealed. So all the good teachings of the Holy Quran gathered together in 1 single month. So this is the best month for you to spiritually proceed towards God much faster than ever before. Now, all sorts of sacrifices which can be conceived are done here in Ramadan. Sadaqah, khairat, salat, zakat, and midnight prayers or after midnight prayers, tahajjud, and salat like never before, recitation of the Quran repeatedly, and so on and so forth. Being hungry for the sake of God, being thirsty for the sake of God, and for the sake of the poor people of Allah, to feed them by fidya, Ramadan, and so on and so forth. So all that is good and mentioned in the Quran شهر رمضان أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى. This is the verse to which I referred. So the Shahr Ramadan is where all the goodness gets concentrated, and the purpose is to meet God. So if we lose the purpose and do the goodness, what is the purpose? What is the meaning of that? If you play football so well, energetically, and you can't score a goal, so go for the goal. Whatever goodness you do, remember that to have God is the purpose. And if you feel you're getting closer to God, if you feel that God is coming closer to you, then the purpose of Ramadan and the purpose of your celebrating Ramadan or observing Ramadan will be fulfilled. Right?
هكذا نأتي.
This will be the last program until the end.
This you better tell them that during Ramadan there will be no liqa program. Only the old ones may be shown, but only that with the dars, concentration on dars of Quran. Inshallah, after the Ramadan we'll meet again. Right?
يقول حضرة بن ونين، وهذا أعزائي السادة المشاهدين الأفاضل، أنه خلال شهر رمضان لن نتمكن من تسجيل هذه الحلقات من برنامج لقاء مع العرب، إذ أننا في هذه الأيام نسجل إلا 3 حلقات فقط في الأسبوع، 4 حلقات تبث قديمة و3 جديدة، ولكن خلال شهر رمضان ستبث إن شاء الله إلا الحلقات القديمة من برنامج لقاء مع العرب، وإن شاء الله بعد عيد الفطر المبارك سنواصل تسجيل هذه الحلقات بمستوى 3 حلقات في الأسبوع. هكذا نأتي إلى نهاية هذه الحلقة. شكرا على حسن المتابعة، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
My regards and love to all your brothers and friends and everybody, in France.